In today's episode, we're going to Magic Kingdom and we're going to show you how and what to do with a toddler in Magic Kingdom. Let's go. We are Emma and Jack Lindsay. Together with our daughter, we love to travel and experience different places. How we get there and what we do is always different. Life is too short, so get out and live a little. We are on our way to Magic Kingdom, day one of parks.
Bobby, say hi.
Got my coffee. I got... Why do you look like you're asleep? Say hi. Are you ready? You're ready? Yay! So let's go and explore. If you guys come and either your stroller breaks, which is kind of what happened to ours, or you didn't bring a stroller and need a stroller, I'll write the name of this company at the bottom here. But that company, we rented a stroller for, you could do for 4 to 7 days, I believe it was, and it was like $75. So it's a really good deal, and comes with stroller. You could get a cooler. It's got a good amount of storage on the bottom. It was a really good deal. Are you ready to go Disney? Yeah, we're ready. Let's go. We made it. Disney time. Let's go. You ready, Jack?
Uh-huh.
Jack's not as excited. But let's go have fun. Woohoo! I see. Yeah. We made it. So throughout this video, I'll be giving you a few tips regarding a toddler at Disney and things that we just found that were helpful for us. Tip number 1 would be have a fan. Or 2. We brought 2, so if one died, we had a backup. It's a lifesaver in the heat. I just want to note that I took away most of the music on the rides because I just didn't want to get flagged by YouTube or Disney. So I apologize, but I'm new to this and I just wanted to be extra cautious. We're going on the Haunted Mansion.
Poppy's first ride.
Poppy's first ride. You excited? Yeah. You're gonna have so much fun, girlfriend. Let's go. You ready? We're gonna go on those. Oh boy. Let's go. What do you think? Was that one a little scary? Guess what? We're doing Winnie the Pooh next, okay? We love Winnie the Pooh. I know that one was a little dark, but it was fun, wasn't it? Yeah, kind of. Tip number 2, bring some snacks. Things your kid's familiar with. It'll also save you money while you're at Disney and also have some water. Next up is Winnie the Pooh. This one was much bigger of a hit. Poppy, you ready to go see Winnie the Pooh?
Oh, where's Winnie?
You ready to see Winnie? Yeah, let's go. Come on. Are you ready?
You ready, Pops?
It makes it back. Wow.
If you ask me, he'll never reach that point.
Why me? Why me? Oh dear. Hang on.
Was that fun? Can you say yay? Yay! Oh, was Winnie the Pooh so fun, bud? Oh yeah, you like the store. Was Winnie so fun? Oh. Next up was Dumbo. This hands down might be the best toddler ride just because it's not too fast, it's bright, you can control if it goes up or down, and there was literally no line. It was more weaving in and out of stuff. And while you're weaving in and out of stuff, there's also a fun little play area for the kids if you wanted to stop and do that. What do you think? Woo!
Say hi, Jimmy.
Say hi, Ofer!
You having fun?
This is so fun! Next ride was Under the Sea by Little Mermaid. Let's go check it out. Another tip is if you're able to, I would highly recommend the Genie Pass, especially with a toddler, because I cannot fathom waiting in some of these very long lines with her. She would just absolutely lose it. So that allowed us to kind of get moving and get on a ride a lot faster.
What
do you think?
I bring good news.
Was that your favorite one? Was that one so much fun? Hey, chicken, was that one fun? Yeah, you want to go again? Yeah, that one was fun, right? Okay, it's lunchtime. It's lunchtime and we are heading to Belle's Castle and I am so excited. Last time I was in Disney, Belle's Castle was not here and Belle is hands down my favorite. So I get to go experience it. Yay, let's go have some fun. There's Belle's Castle.
Who is it? Is that Princess Belle?
They have a full alcohol list of anything you could ever want. And then for lunch, basically, it is a prefix of 3-course meal for $62. So that includes an appetizer, an entree, and a dessert. And then for kids, you can also do a 3-course meal that you get to choose for $37. But if your kid's never gonna eat all of that, they have the option of mac and cheese or mashed potatoes for free. So we just did the mac and cheese for Poppy. Over there.
Happy look, who is this?
Who is that?
Happy look.
For appetizer, I got the duck and pork terrine, minus the Parmesan dusting because I had forgotten a dairy pill. It was really tasty though. Very rich. Jack got the country seasonal salad. It looked delicious. How's your salad, Jack?
It's good. It has fruit on it.
Jack doesn't like when there's fruit on it, but otherwise it looks good. Mine is good. It's like a block of meat though that's on your plate. I just took some bread to add a little bit more flavor to it. I would definitely say it's more pork forward than duck forward. You kind of get the pork at the end, but it's definitely very tasty.
You said hi? You said hi?
Poppy, what do you think? She's like, I don't know. For Jack's entree, he got the Veduvan spiced vegetables. He said they were fine. I got the market fresh fish. It was a smoked trout, and it was delicious. And definitely a good amount of food, especially for lunch. It's good? Yeah. Poppy got mac and cheese, which was included for free. You could upgrade and get more of the sides that I showed on the menu, but this was free. It was mac and cheese or mashed potatoes. And she's having a good old time. It's so good. Yeah. If you're dairy free or forgot your dairy pills, get some sorbet. Jack's got the fun stuff.
Thank you.
I will say it's a very good raspberry sorbet though. This is what everybody else would get if you do not have a dairy allergy or any other major allergy. Okay, so I stole Jack's dessert even though I don't have a dairy pill, but usually I'm okay if I have a little bit of dessert without a dairy pill. That's rich and really tasty. There's some kind of like fruity thing on the bottom. That's good. I already took a bite of the meringue. That is delicious. Very fruity center. A berry, like raspberry center. It's really tasty. Now I gotta try the gray stuff. It's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes. They can sing, they can dance.
Jesus Christ.
That's good. I mean, it's like
Icy.
they were like a mousse almost. That may have too much dairy for me, but it's good.
It's like it's a sweetened whipped cream icing is basically what it is.
Pirates of the Caribbean time. Jack's with Poppy. She's taking a nap. Poppy skipped out on this one because she was taking a nap, but it's great for a little one as long as they're good with the dark and a little dip in the very beginning. We just got off Pirates of the Caribbean. It's your favorite.
It's fabulous. It's just, it should be twice as long.
You had a good time though?
Always.
Now time for the tiki room. This is always a good one because there's very rarely a wait and it's cooler in there, which is always good on a hot day, and it's just kind of fun. Next up was the Country Bear Jamboree. This is another great one that's inside, usually not a humongous wait, just a good one. Are you ready for the Bear Jamboree? Yeah. I know there's animals over there. They're gonna sing. Are you ready?
Yeah, we ain't going anywhere anyhow. We're kind of hung up here.
Give me a little intro there, Gomer.
Bobby, was the Country Jamboree one of your favorites? That in the tiki room? Yeah? You tired? Was that fun though?
Everything fun bears.
You liked that one.
They have nice voices.
We're gonna go to Small Small World. You ready? Hey Poppy, you ready for Small Small World? This is BB, aka Grandma's favorite. You ready?
Happiest cruise you ever sailed.
It's her favorite. She's excited. Let's go.
We're waiting for it.
Poppy, you ready? BB, you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Welcome to the happiest cruise that ever sailed. just finished at Small Small World.
It was so much fun. My favorite.
It is your favorite. Poppy, did you have a good time? Was that a fun one? Yeah, you kept pointing to everybody. That was fun, right? Daddy refused to come on it with us. Jack's sweating a little. This is how he's cooling himself off.
Right here.
With a fan and a cooling towel. Is it working, Jack?
Yeah. It's hot.
It is really hot. It's like in the 90s today. Next up is Peter Pan. We did not get a chance to do this one, but my family stayed longer, so they took a few clips for me. So this is a fantastic one to do with a toddler. A lot to see. You sit on like a little boat. It's really fun. Everything you see up until this point, we accomplished in one day at Disney. On this day, we did not go back for a nap time, so we kind of just went through the full day, had her sleep in her stroller, and did a bunch of rides. We didn't end up eating in Magic Kingdom, so I'll save where we ate that night for that specific park. But make sure to stay tuned for next week because we're going to Animal Kingdom. So I cannot wait to share more tips what to do with a toddler in Disney, and we will see you next week. Get out and live a little.